Welcome back, guys. As I promised, I have made a house tutorial. So I'm going to show you around my house so you know the house a bit. And make sure you give us a like, subscribe, comment down below if you're going to like my house or not. And sit back and enjoy the video. First of all, we have the front door where I come home from school. Couches, TV, blankets. This is a dinner table. And here's the pantry. If you couldn't see it, Darcy, I'm so sorry. Here's the kitchen. A big clock. And right now it is, I don't know what the time is, but here's the fridge. And the refrigerator, I have 3 fridges actually. No, unbelievable. This is the bathroom. Let me just go into it. This is the bathroom. There. Some soap. Some running water, as you guys already know. Not much to see in here. A toilet and a bathtub. This is the room that I might be sleeping in tonight, I'm not sure. And here's another bathroom. Finally, my room. This is my room, guys. Nice white desk. This is my comfortable room. And as you know, I'm going to be spending quite a bit of time with you guys. So hang on to the video. Okay, back to the house tutorial. Those are mannequin heads. If they freak you out, I am so sorry. So sorry, guys. This is my mom's room that I'm entering, and another bathroom. She mazed the walls. You can actually go to my mom's channel and you can watch her videos, but they're quite boring. And here's another toilet. Nothing much to see in here. It's got, oh, I forgot to show you. Here's a secret bond thing. Oh gosh. Okay, guys, and this is everything over here on the wall. And this is the bed. Sorry, guys. Bed. Now let's go to the windows. Okay, as you can see here, I have a beautiful garden, so that you guys haven't even seen most of them. Great. Beautiful garden. My bunnies are somewhere over there. Okay, you can't see my bunnies, but that's fine. Oh. Guys, sorry, I had to take a guava roll. Guava rolls are just like, they are delicious. This is what a guava roll looks like. Another mirror. Nothing much to see. And there we go. That is my house. So, comment down below if you had some fun. I'll see you. Well, I'll actually see you. Well, why am I like, I'll actually see you. I'll see you. Bye-bye. And then I'm actually like, I will see you. So, yeah. Gonna hang out with you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.